How to create an experience in Airbnb. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can host an experience in Airbnb. So let's get started. So the first step here is you will need to search for Airbnb. So you can simply, search for Airbnb's website. So head over to airbnb.com and there you should be on their website. Now make sure that you're logged into your account first. So you can log into your account, and after you do that, tap on your profile icon that is on the top right. After you do that, on here you'll find an option that says host an experience. So simply tap on that, and after you tap on that, it will take you to this page here. So you can just simply scroll down. You can see you can learn about experiences and stuff. So tap on let's go after you're ready. After you tap on it, tap on let's go again. And there you'll need to sign in into your account again. So just sign in into your account. And after you sign in, it'll just take a moment, but it will redirect you to their app. So from here, you can actually create an experience. So tap on create an experience. And after you tap on create an experience, you can read through this. As you can see right here, they will offer you experience. You can set up the itinerary. Once approved, you will add availability to begin hosting. So get started. And after doing that, now you can go through these, questionnaires. So here you will need to offer your guests something. So let's say I'm offering them art and design, and there you can just choose different options. Now you will need to go through all of these questionnaires, and after you go through all of these questionnaires, you'll actually have submitted your experience, which Airbnb and their team will have to approve before you can host it. And that's basically how you do it. And that is how you can create an experience on Airbnb, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.